Welcome to my channel, Content Analysis. Today's topic comes from a recent relationship psychology article published on Psychology Today, written by Mark Travers Ph.D. and reviewed by Abigail Fagan. The article explores why many couples feel efficient but emotionally disconnected and how they can start feeling like a team again. In the article, Travers explains that what breaks down in many long-term relationships isn't love or commitment, but the felt sense of teamwork. Couples often manage responsibilities well, yet feel like they're living parallel lives rather than sharing one. This happens when partners divide tasks efficiently, but without shared meaning. When effort goes unseen or unacknowledged, it doesn't register as connection, even if both people are working hard for the relationship over time. This can quietly breed resentment, not because the workload is unfair, but because the emotional meaning behind the work is missing. The first shift Travers suggests is sharing meaning, not just responsibility, by occasionally verbalizing what certain tasks represent security, stability, or support. Partners turn invisible labor into shared investment. Naming the emotional significance of everyday actions helps couples build a shared narrative, which research consistently links to higher relationship satisfaction. The second shift focuses on replacing routine emotional check-ins with moments of alignment. Instead of only asking, "What happened during the day?" couples benefit more from orienting themselves as a unit. A simple daily practice completing the sentence, "What I need from us right now is," helps partners co-regulate emotionally and reinforce a sense of we-ness. This isn't about problem solving, but about reminding both partners that stress and strain are held together, not alone. Overall, the article emphasizes that feeling like a team doesn't mean avoiding conflict. It means training the relationship to instinctively turn toward each other when challenges rise. A version of this piece also appeared on Forbes.com, highlighting its broader relevance beyond therapy rooms. Reference: Travers, M. 2026, February 17th. 2 ways for couples to start feeling like a team. Psychology Today. Stay connected with us for more content like this.